Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is chicken biryani in pressure cooker. It is a quick and tasty biryani by using simple ingredients from the kitchen. So without wasting time, let's start the recipe. Before that, we will see the ingredients to make this biryani. Basmati rice, marinated chicken, coconut milk, whole garam masala, coriander leaves, mint leaves, onions, tomatoes, masala paste and ghee. First, we will see how to marinate the chicken. For that, I have taken 750 gram of chicken. In that, I am going to add salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix it well and keep aside for 15 minutes. Next, we will see how to prepare masala paste for the biryani. For that, I have taken 2 green chilies, 2 red chilies, 1 whole garlic, few coriander leaves, few mint leaves, 2 inch of ginger, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 2 tablespoon of grated coconut and 1 small onion. Take all the ingredients, put it into mixie jar, add some water and make a fine paste. I have soaked basmati rice for 30 minutes. In a pressure cooker, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil on medium flame. Next, we will add whole garam masala like 2 bay leaf, 4 to 5 cloves, 3 green cardamom, 1 inch of cinnamon stick and 1 star anise. Saute for few seconds. Now I am going to add 4 finely sliced onions. Fry the onions till they are golden brown in color. Next we will add ground masala which we prepared earlier. Fry the masala along with onions until the raw smell leaves. Next we will add finely chopped 3 tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes until they turn soft. Now it's the time to add marinated chicken to it. Give a quick stir and then add 1 bunch of finely chopped coriander leaves, few mint leaves, now I am going to add 3 cups of coconut milk for 3 cups of basmati rice, and the coconut milk will give extra flavor to the biryani. Next we will add salt as per taste. Mix it well. So first we will pressure cook the chicken without the rice. Cook the chicken for about 4 to 5 whistles. Now the final step is to add the rice. Here I have taken 3 cups of basmati rice. Gently mix it. Cover and cook for 7 minutes on medium flame and then turn it off. As you can see the texture, the rice has cooked perfectly, and that's it. Our tasty chicken biryani is ready to be served. You can enjoy with the raita on the side. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.